you know. I'm the only one in that bitch like a gangster, you know, the hood. Well, you know, you can take a nigga out the hood, but you can't take the hood out of him. You feel me? You dig what I'm saying, shawty? You already know what's going on for everybody because, sadly, we had 2 people go home today.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Lee TV 218 reaction channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
What do, YouTube? It's your boy Lee TV Trucking, and today we on day 5 orientation with P&S Trucking Service. Day 5. We was out on the 4th for the 4th of July, so this is really the second week, but it's day 5. Man, I'm ready. The week's going by pretty fast. You know what I'm saying? I ain't jump on the school bus with the rest of the class. I'm gonna catch that ride with the people. Let him get some of that extra money. Real smooth, like, you know what I'm saying? That's what I got going on today. Still see that fresh ass 300. You know how we pop it when we pop it. You know, to the maximum. Hey man, let me know how y'all experience been with y'all trucking company. Was it good, bad, ugly, wonderful? Did it meet your standards? Let me know. Cause right now P&S all right with me. I calculated up the mouth and seen what they were talking about. They all right with me, man. I can't complain. You see how I'm dressed today. Fit check. Fit check, fit check, fit check. Fit check, fit check, you know. Yeah, I got them muscles popping today. Got the tattoos showing, you know. I'm the only one in that bitch like a gangster, you know, the hood. Well, you know, you can take a nigga out the hood, but you can't take the hood out of him. You feel me? You dig what I'm saying, shawty? You already know what's going on, man. Over the weekend, what did I do? We had some more homework, something called Driver's Gold. And you had to get a certificate from TCM or TCT, TNT, something like that. Don't quote me. I don't know what I'm talking about really. But yeah, I had to get that popping, had to get that done. I got that done over the weekend. It was like 50 look questions. It was like 25 videos, 25 tests type shit, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we were putting down. That's what I did over the weekend. Started Friday, I got it done Saturday. What else? I know y'all like, why y'all always looking out? Cause I'm watching my surroundings. I don't trust nobody. Y'all can see what's in the background, so if somebody try to sneak up and bop me, you'll let me know. We still at the hotel with it, you know what I'm saying? The bus done left, they just left. We're supposed to be there every morning by 7:45. The dude I'm riding with, he haven't decided to leave yet. He's still in there eating breakfast or whatever. So I ain't tripping off none of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just looking around, making sure everything, you know. He parked his car on the side this time. I don't know where he at. Oh, there you go, over there. Let me pop it. Man, that's it for the vlog today, man. You dig what I'm saying? I'm gonna get up with y'all boy, man. You know, I'm gonna get back up with y'all. What's up, gang? We back, we off. Today, it was a good day. For me anyway. I can't speak and say the same for everybody because sadly, we had 2 people go home today. 2 people went home today. Day 5, second week of training, orientation, 2 people went home. We spent half the day outside doing pre-trips, and like right before lunch, they sent somebody home, 2 people home. And we got to see someone had to come in because they had a DOT inspection and they had like several violations. I can't sit here and tell you which violation they had because that I really don't know. But what I can tell you is we got to witness the instructor do a pre-trip inspection after a DOT violation. So, and just so happened that person was hauling oversized loads. So you do know P&S Transportation works with a company called Blair that lets you lease, purchase, and own or operate, but they mainly specialize in oversized loading. So we got to see them get inspected. I can't really tell you exactly what was wrong with the cab because I was over there running my mouth. I was talking to my co-workers, trying to understand this math that we had to do today for homework. I didn't understand it, but thankfully, when I went downstairs, it was some people from the classroom downstairs who helped me figure it out. Shout out to them. I appreciate you. I had the equation written down in my notes, and I still wasn't understanding. But I had the concept of it down. I just didn't know which numbers to plug in to make the equation make sense. You know, I'm gonna say that again. I had the formula wrote down the right way. I just wasn't plugging in the proper numbers to get the right answer, the correct answer. So now that I got that down packed, that's easy. Be ready to do some work, man, when y'all get in here. P&S Transportation flatbed is not just about getting on the truck, driving it to your load and securing the load. It's a lot more to it besides that. Like, you really got to know what you're doing. You really need to know how to calculate your hours and your mileage, and they're gonna show you how to do that. So make sure you pay attention, or you will get sent home like some of the people that got sent home today. Sadly, but not sad, because one of the guys that got sent home, when I looked at his score, it didn't even look like he tried on one of the tests. Then he flunked 2 tests back to back. The other dude went home because he was sleeping in class. So make sure you get your Z's, man. I don't want to see nobody fail in a process trying to progress, but you have to do the due diligence and actually put the work in to become successful. Everybody want muscles, but nobody want to get down and do any push-ups. If you understand that illustration, I'm gonna say it again. Everybody want muscles, but no one wants to get down and do push-ups. Other than that, today was a good day, man. I am taking me some lunch tomorrow, some noodles. We was outside yesterday. We was outside today. I mean, yesterday we was chilling. We was off. It was Sunday. Today is Monday. We was chilling yesterday. Today we spent half the day outside, a little inside, mainly doing tests, and I got some more notes I need to go do some studying too on CMS, basic, and it's like 2 other abbreviations that you need to know what they mean and what they do. But anyway, I ain't here to give you a cheat sheet. I'm here to tell you how my experience going with P&S trucking. Right now, it's been great. I really don't like the lunch. I'm a fat kid. See them muscles on me. I like to eat, so I'm gonna take me some noodles in my bowl tomorrow so I can make sure I have enough food to eat. Cause them little chicken nuggets and chicken tenders ain't gonna get it for me. You know, I got to eat, man. But what else can I tell y'all? Other than that, man, it's been good. We're supposed to go on a road test tomorrow to see if everybody really able and eligible to drive the 18-wheeler or the flatbed. And hopefully I get on that thing first and show out, you know what I'm saying, show y'all what's going on. I really like to go like 3rd or 4th because I get to see the route and know what's going on. You know, it's like the first person always the crash dummy or the tester, you know. But I don't mind going first. Only time I mind going first is when I'm with my lady. She always come first. But anyway, yeah, man, today been a great day. Sadly, we lost 2 people today. One was sleeping in class. The other just didn't put enough effort in. So make sure you're studying for the test. Make sure you're paying attention in class. If you don't know something or not familiar with it, ask questions. If you still can't understand, when you get home and get to the hotel room, get with your coworkers, man, somebody that understands, or a group of them, and y'all just conversate and communicate so y'all can overcome the barriers that you having in the classroom. Other than that, man, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm out.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.